Hello, and salams. My name is Savera, and I'm so glad you could come and join me today here. Today, I'm going to show you this bird's journal. It's a long, skinny one. It's a tall, skinny one, and I've done lots of applique and laces, and some are vintage, some are not. But it looks like a boho style. Okay, so here we go. It's closed by this sari silk that I had. Let me just open it. So today I'm working on my new station. So this is and now I have a place to just put the camera on and start filming. So I'll be doing more process videos, and I hope you enjoy. So this is the cover. I've used beautiful hand embroidered applique, some lace. I've made some flowers with some French knots inside, some leaves that I made from organza. So it's like a clutch. It opens up like a clutch, like this, and this is the spine. The back is like this, and it opens up like this, and the prints are from Ruby and Pearl, and they're absolutely beautiful. I love these birds. I just love these birds. This is a vintage music paper, some ephemera that I put inside here. I printed out this beautiful image of birds on old book page, and I love this. I love printing out on old book pages, and I think I'm going to start printing some nice images on these book pages and just making them like a wall art. I love this. This is embossed, and this print is chapter 1 papers. These prints are from Ruby and Pearl. So I'll just use this card. So this is pocket. Something will be tucked in here, and this is just an Urdu text, old Urdu book page that I had that I put in here. Brown paper. This is now you can see here. This is typewritten. The writing you have from the typewriter I got from my grandfather's stash. My grandfather was a lawyer, and he passed away 20 years ago. 20, no more, 25 maybe. So I got lots of his his books and his journals and his things. So this was a part of that. This is an old vintage postcard. Images from Ruby and Pearl. I don't remember exactly what the kit was. So this is the pocket. I don't think it's a pocket. Or no, it's not a pocket. Could have been though. This one is. It's stuck for. So it's a mixture of brown paper and the whole journal is, if you can see, it's all distressed, and I distress these pages with my knife here, like this. I just hold it and I just distress all my pages with the knife, and I use shoe polish as well for distressing the page. I'll show you. I have some right here. So this is just some shoe polish, and it's a wax. I do have you might know or not know that I live in Pakistan, and over here we don't get timholes. So it's very difficult for me to get hold of all the things that you just go and buy off sales, and you have so much stash of all these distress inks and all this. I love this, and this is a doily, and I've put on a napkin on it, and then I put wax. So it's a waxed doily with napkin on it. It's really beautiful. And this is a printable by this is a printout by Ruben Pearl. Yes, I think this was part of the kit. It's birds kit, something birds. So I was saying I don't have a lot of materials that you guys get in the US or even in the UK, Europe, maybe Australia, everywhere. I don't have access to all of that, so I have very limited stock of distress inks and things like that. So whenever somebody goes to America, is coming from America, so I or the UK, if I need it, it's also very expensive for me to buy these. So I just ask them to get it, and then I just use it very, very rarely. I just dwell on it. I like to keep it. And the good part is it lasts for a very long time. The distress inks, they don't dry up so quickly. I've had one for like ages, and I get those refills, and I've done some refilling as well. So beautiful. I love this images in this kit by Ruby and Pearl. So this was the journal. Just some little old book page with beautiful flowers. So this is all this journal has. It has a matching ephemera kit. And I have listed this on my Etsy shop. You can go and purchase it from there. The link will be in the description. And also, in the next video, I'm going to show you this ephemera kit that matches this journal. So I'll see you then.